Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Hadra, a passionate makeup artist and online makeup instructor. Halloween 2021 is next door, so I thought why not get in a spooky mood and create a tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to go for the Little Red Riding Hood inspired Halloween makeup look. So first, we will apply a beautiful half-cut crease eye makeup with matte eyeshadows and red, orangey and brown shades, plus red, maybe ombre lips. And on the left or right side of the face, we create the scratches that the hungry wolf gave her while hunting that poor little girl. Without further ado, let's dive into this tutorial. I've worn this black t-shirt on purpose because it might get messy, so you better do that as well. So first of all, we apply our concealer to prime the eyelids. As I said, I'm going to focus only on the right eye for you guys, since that will go faster. Then I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. So I'm going for this orangey shade called Blazing, and I apply it on the outer V of my eye, just on the crease. And what are the looks you're going for this Halloween? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know it. Do you actually celebrate Halloween? That is the question. Here in Germany, we don't necessarily celebrate Halloween. As long as I know, kids are more likely to celebrate Halloween because, yeah, they want to get treats. Like really celebrating, like organizing as a Halloween celebration at home or in the club or wherever. I've never seen it that often. I would love to know where you guys are from and whether you celebrate Halloween in your country. Okay, then we go ahead with the next shade, which is going to be Saffron. Go in with the same blending brush. This time I focus only under the crease. I pack the product and apply it under the crease until I like the intensity of it. Then I start to blend. I really never knew that Halloween was inspired by a religious tradition in which people dressed like evils or demons just to get bad vibes, like really negative energy away in the winter. It is celebrated to scare away bad energy and negativity in the air. I've cleaned my brush now and I will go over these two shades while blending without any product on. So the next step is to cut the crease. We will do this with a light concealer and a concealer brush. We're going only for matte shades, as I mentioned previously, so we're going for the desert sand and apply it on the concealed part with our pinky. What we do to blend the harsh transition is to go into the shade Blazing once again and just apply it in the middle. So first I'm going to use the first transition shade, which it was the shade Blazing, the orangey shade, to connect my outer edge with the lower lash line. And now we go into Saffron and apply it on top of Blazing. So yeah, I'm going to apply my brown eyeliner. By the way, I have also a video on how to apply a perfect eyeliner on hooded eyes, so please follow that for further explanations on how to do that. Create a wing first. I want to achieve a dolly look since our Little Red Riding Hood looks like a doll. I'm going to create a thicker wing here on this side. Now I'm going to fill in any gaps. And we're going for the Better Than Sex mascara from Benefit in the mini version. That's it basically for the mascara, one coat is enough because we're going to apply our lashes the next. I want to go for a white shade in my waterline, so I'm using a white eyeliner and do that because I think that works better than using a white kohl liner. So next I'm going to use my false lashes by Sosu. They are from Primark. For this price, they are really good. Okay, so next I'm going to apply the lash curler again. That will help the lashes to blend in well. So guys, that was the eye makeup. Next step is going to be the scratches. So I wanted to go heavy on the blush and apply some freckles here to make the look a little more childish, like, you know, there are many versions of the Little Red Riding Hood, but I thought, yeah, my version has some freckles on and some cute red cheeks.
That's why I'm going for a blush that is not red in shade but has a coral shade. It's a cream blush stick by Nude Sticks in the shade Puppy Girl. I will just smile and apply this here and here. Don't worry, we won't let it that way. And maybe apply a little on the nose bridge as well to create a sun-kissed makeup look.
I will use my eyeshadow. It's using a regular eyeshadow shade in dark brown. Apply it here. Yeah, that looks better. Maybe on top. Okay, that's it for the freckles. I think it looks more childish, that is why I applied some freckles, and later on I will apply my lipstick. I will show you that step as soon as I'm done with my brows. So guys, I decided not to go for an ombre lip makeup. I will just go for a retro red, orangey red like lipstick shade, and this is my all-time favorite from MAC, Mangroover. Okay guys, so what you will need for the scratches is latex liquid. I have this one from Amazon and it's in the shade beige, but you will have to apply foundation or other cream products on it to make it blend in well with your own skin. And then we have tissues. Just take a cosmetic tissue and tear apart the layers, if that makes sense. Just like I did. Look, they just have to be thin layers to resemble the skin. And then we have this sponge that will help us to create the wounds with this fake blood that is thicker than normal fake blood because it is meant for wounds. I hope I make sense.
So guys, make sure you switch into your costume before starting to apply the scratches, because that won't mess up your costume later on, especially if you are about to wear white clothes. Yeah, I have a white top for this look, and that is why I'm covering it by wearing my black shirt over it.
So we will give this liquid a good shake. So first of all, you have to find out whether you react to latex. So maybe in the past, if you have worn like latex gloves, and if you have reacted to it, then maybe you're allergic to it, so it's better not to use it and look for a substitute.
I will just apply a little on the bowl, just a tiny bit, and then depending on how much I need, I will apply further.
Okay, we need to work fast since it dries out, just like glue. I will need like 5 layers to make the wound look like it's deep. But you can also go for 3 layers of tissue. I want to work precisely, that's why I go for a flat, dense, rounded brush. First step is to go through the brows. I want a stretch here. That's it for that, and now I take the tissue and tear a little bit of it into half and apply it like this part.
Doesn't need to be precise when doing so, just go and apply here on the liquid. And once it's dry, you can go ahead and tear.
Okay, I didn't apply the latex on my brows, but I'm thinking of
Not doing it, since another thing you have to take in consideration when latex dries and you want to take it off, you might get some baby hairs in between and wax them, and that is painful.
so make sure to remove the hair on the parts you want to apply latex. To apply the tissue when the latex is still wet. Again, I tear off like a part like this and then I apply it on. Once you have the shape figured out, then it's really easy to tear off the rest of the tissue you don't need. Make sure the ends of the scratches are a little sharp to demonstrate the scratch further. This is the first scratch. I will cover it with latex further. Next one, I wanted to apply starting from my nose bridge up until here. So what I'm going to do is start the same procedure now on another location. So guys, I'm going to do this further. Important is that the scratches look like have the right order.
I imagine the wool has its color and would do this to you. So this is the first scratch, and then you have here like another scratch, and then we'll have some tiny scratches here as well, which I'm going to show you later on. But for now, I'm going to fast forward so we can get done, because it's basically the same steps. We just have to repeat it for all the layers, and then I will show you the next step.
So right now I wanted to show you where I want to place the other scratches. So the next third one is going to be here. So when you're looking straight into the camera or mirror, it should have a curve. I'm back with another scratch. I'm going to apply the next scratch here on this side. Don't worry about them being too close to each other, since we're going to apply foundation and it's going to look more like skin, and the wounds are going to be like more separated to each other. Guys, I have another trick for you so you can work faster.
Just apply a thin layer of latex on your scratch, and then as usual go over it with tissue, and then, as I said, we want the wound to be deeper in the middle, because that is where we want to cut it later, and that is how we go in with the latex fluid.
So as we said, we want the ends a little more sharp and also thin. Now it's easier to tear this apart. Okay guys, now on to the next step. So we have created our scratches with latex and tissues. This one needs to dry fully. And if you're in a hurry, you can take your blow dryer and blow dry it. You can also use a tweezer, a sharp one, but I wouldn't do that. I would rather use a scissor or a nail scissor or whatever it is called in English to do that, because that will create a nicer cut. Can help getting it torn apart further by stretching your skin with 2 fingers. I would suggest you to first create a hole by using the tweezer and taking off a bit of the latex, and then once you created a hole from there, you can cut the cut. You can cut the cut, you can cut the wound. Now I'm going to apply some foundation in the same shade of my skin. I'm going to dab it a little bit just to get rid of excess product. I'm going into a darker shade like this one, Smoke Show from Tarte palette, and apply it into the wounds.
Okay, I need my other finger. And I'm just going in there. So that will create more dimension and make the wound look more deeper, you know.
So I'm going into this product first with a brush I don't need anymore. Okay, now I'm going in with a cotton swab to make the blood stains a little more, how do you call it, a little longer. Guys, to make the scratch around the face a little less noticeable, you know, the thickness, we're going to create a little bit of bruise like makeup around this area while using the same red eyeshadow shade I used on my eyelid, and now around those edges, around the edges of the scratch, make them a little more painful looking. So guys, this is the end result. I hope you try out the Red Riding Hood inspired makeup look. I think it is a quick, simple and beautiful spooky look to try out for this year's Halloween. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty content in the future. Happy Halloween everyone! Bye!